Python, iterate over two lists at once. Oftentimes, you can iterate only over one structure at a time. What if you wanted to do both? Let's do an example. Shapes is a list with square, triangle, and pentagon. Numsides is a list with 4, 3, and 5. For shape, comma, ns in zip of shapes and numsides, colon, print, f-string, curly braces, shape, colon, curly braces, ns. If we run this code, we'll see square, colon, 4, then triangle, colon, 3, last, pentagon, colon, 5. This is one example of iterating over two lists at once in Python. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.